Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I have this graphics card in front of me. It is the Gigabyte GTX 1080 Ti AORUS Xtreme Edition 11 gigabytes. Now, this is the most expensive graphics card I've ever bought or ever touched in my entire life. And so I'm really excited to see what it will look like inside, but let's get some information out of the way. It's Win 4 stack 3 times cooling system. You've got a large copper base plate. You have RGB fusion. You have AORUS VR Link. You have 12 plus. I don't even know what that is, but really good graphics card. This is the combination of the layout: HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI digital. So I'm really excited to get into this. But reason I got this, I love to game. I'm not an extreme gamer, but I do love to game. But I also do like to make a lot of videos, and so obviously running 4K editing and stuff like that, I need a powerful graphics card. Now you may say that this graphics card is a little bit overkill, and that is true. But then again, I do want to have a really good gaming experience. I have an ultra-wide 3440 by 1440 resolution, and my current GTX 970 just cannot handle that resolution at high ultra settings. So I'm not running 4K by any means screens, but I do 4K editing. And so I figured that, you know, why don't just enjoy a little bit. I plan to keep this for 5 to 7 years, so I think this will just last me that long time. So let's just get straight into it and see what this beast looks like. So the packaging, you can see it's got that reflective, that nice reflective shine on it. AORUS. All right. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Get this nice envelope. Ooh, metal sticker. This is metal. It's not plastic, it is metal. Standard drivers, which we'll update online. AORUS Care 4-year warranty to, 4-year extended warranty. Okay, so if you register online, you get extended warranty. If you're running VR mode or standard mode, these are the things that you should be using. Warranty and the quick guide. Okay, so pretty standard stuff in this envelope. Nothing else from the looks of it. Then I'm assuming it is some cable stuff, 12 pin converter to 8-pin. And finally, the graphics card. Whoa, this is heavy. Wow, this is a really nice experience. Wow, this is really heavy. Oh my gosh, that is a beast. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking, like, what am I getting myself into? That is the heaviest and biggest graphics card I've ever held in my entire life. Now, as a comparison, this is the GTX 970. Now, as you can see, it's probably the same width, but with the same length. But when you compare the width, oh my goodness, look at that. That's just so much. Look at that. And then when you compare the thickness of the two, oh man, this is one big graphics card. And it's heavy. It's like almost twice the weight of this one. Wow. This is the 1080 Ti. Whew. And it's got an all metal backplate. It's got the copper backplate. I think you can swap out for water cooling if you want. This is the VR connector that I think they were talking about. These are your pins. So your 10 pins. Wow. Sorry, my mistake. This is 16 pins. 16 pin. Your SLI connectors. This is RGB. This will line up. Fan stop. I'm guessing this will light up as well when the fans aren't on to save energy. And on your back, of course, you have, as I mentioned, your 2 HDMIs, 3 display ports, and DVI-D. But this is a 3-slot, obviously because of this extra take up, because it is so huge and it is so beefy and heavy. Man, this is a great. I just really can't wait. Like, it just feels power. Like, it just feels like it's gonna do a massive job. So I'll be interested to see if this lights up as well. I think it does. If I'm not mistaken, it does light up. So, oh man, that'll be really interesting to see. So, big graphics card. So to recap, you get your extra cable, you get the metal sticker, You get the CD, extended warranty, definitely do this, and all this other documentation. But yeah, wow, big graphics card, really big graphics card, really love it. I think it's amazing. Really can't wait to, you know, feast my eyes on this performance. Whew, I just can't get over how big that is. And even look at this fan design. It's like really different. This is like the standard one, but then they have this one that goes underneath. It'll be really interesting to see how that, you know, would work with all 3 fans going. But don't know if you can see that heatsink. It is massive in there. Whoa. Really big graphics card. Biggest, heaviest, most expensive I've ever touched or bought. Wow. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video. So let me know what you guys think. Is this too overkill for what I want to do? Is it, do you have this graphics card? What has your experiences been with it? What was your first impression when you held it with your hands? You know, it's so heavy. Yeah, so just leave a comment below, let me know, and yeah. So I hope you liked this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.